is to help and facilitate the commercialization of technology developed under the research at the university by the faculty and staff.
The greatest idea will not be developed into therapeutic modalities if there's no commercialization pathway.
In the last 15 years, the UIC OTM has generated over $400 million in royalty revenues, which is important primarily for the faculty because they get a main share of it, and for the university, which allows the university to invest in new infrastructure for research and for faculty.
OTM has a team of technology transfer officers as well as patent lawyers. So the discussion of the technology was very, very helpful for us to learn how the process looks like, how you can actually bring the novel therapy from the bench to the patient bed.
We'll convert that technology into products and services, protect the intellectual property, and commercialize it through partnering with third party in the industry or through a university startup.
The importance of thinking early and often about which of our insights in the laboratory might in fact be disclosable, protectable intellectual property that the university could develop with us.
The first step was to make a disclosure, which we did. And right away, we started communicating with OTM officers to figure out, one, if this technology is novel enough to move forward with commercialization. Second, we wanted to make sure that there are pathways available for us to protect this.
Now, what's your patent portfolio? And we said, what? We don't have a patent portfolio. We've been publishing this work. And he said, oh, sorry, we can't work together if that's the case. Where we just immediately wanted to give away all of that knowledge. We still wanted to do that, but first we wanted to protect it. And that's where the OTM was absolutely invaluable.
The provisional patent to be filed first, then you get a year, and then in that year you can put more data in, then a PCT application gets filed, and then after that the office actions start coming in, and then you respond to them, and finally at the end, several years later, you have a patent.
The OTM was very helpful in facilitating that, but also in promoting it in the very beginning.
Major component there is preparing the pitch deck, which is also something that OTM helped with.
They began an active process of seeking potential licensees for that patent estate.
OTM part was mainly to negotiate with them the deals and how the milestones and stuff.
I'm the founder of Celagene, and the Office of Technology Management helped me in many small and complicated ways: issuance of a patent, a clinical trial, and now licensing to a startup company.
With the guidance and help of Office of Technology Transfer to spin off the company based on this technology, and this was a very good experience. It went smoothly.
The startup company that we created as a team, Illinois Ventures, OTM, and us at the University Lab, was entirely acquired by a commercially traded company who was in the business of developing novel drug treatments where there weren't drug treatments at that point.
Investors in our company was also introduced by OTM, and those conversations were really helpful because meeting with one investor then leads to meeting with other investors.
OTM is not only categorized by its industry-leading technology and patents, but also its social impact programs, which DEEP is proudly at the forefront.
We are able to help our patients, not sometimes in the future, but now, today, and they benefit through this. And and that is, I think, where we succeed.